Hey everyone, this is BroSmart and in this video I'm going to show you how to stick this decal tree with board cages PVC vinyl wall sticker on your wall. You can stick this wallpaper on a newly painted wall, a putty wall or any wall with a clean surface. So let's begin. Clean the surface and do not paste it on moist walls or unfinished walls like brick walls. And now stick the part of the tree one by one. You should match the numbers and paste it very carefully. Sometimes the numbers may not match. In that case, you may have to use your creative mind and stick it to another place. Do like this. Take a hard paper, peel off the drawing and paste on it. Now you have a photo to look at and match the numbers. One by one, start peeling off the parts and stick on your wall. If you stick a wrong part on the wall by mistake, don't worry, slowly and carefully remove the part from the wall and then stick it to another place. Remove the big air bubbles with your hand carefully like this and press the sticker hard on the wall. The glue is not too hard, so if you don't apply pressure, it may come out after a couple of hours. Also, to remove air bubbles, use your nails. It is self-adhesive, so you don't have to purchase an extra bottle of glue to paste it. I will increase the video speed and watch the entire video to learn how to stick the entire wall sticker on your wall. The stickers look very good on my wall. Comment below how is the wall sticker looking in just 100 rupees. It is an awesome product to decorate your room. And I will add the best buy links of the wall sticker in the description below. So do purchase from the link given in the description below. I hope this video helped you. Drop a like and subscribe to BroSmart for more interesting videos just like this one. Feel free to ask me any questions that you have in your mind in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. This is BroSmart and I will catch you guys in my next video.